don't know why this music just got so much louder. So current apartment tour. This is probably my favorite part. I'm actually on like a roof unit. So there's only 4 other apartments and like this roof is private for those 4 apartments and me. But no one else really comes here. So I basically have like this private rooftop, seating area, plants. That's where I was. Here, there's a little barbecue area, more plants. Oh, this is how I check when the trash guy's coming. Jump up here. Oh. And you can see, I mean, you can see all the trees everywhere. And here too. Plants, big plants, other plants. That's my door. It's just open because no one's here. Number 2, I don't know, that's like a storage or something. There's a ton more plants. Spider-Man up here. Don't know what that is about, but I'll take this off now. I couldn't see outside, it was like way too bright. It's basically like a studio, but I love it like because the outside makes it so much bigger. Bedroom area. And then the seating area here with the TV. I can actually put all my clothes in here. And all the plants outside, I love it. And this is the kitchen. Oh my God, ignore my dishes. I have a ton of dishes to do. That's where I work. Hence all the plugs and my name. We have 2 little burners. They actually like go crazy when you turn them on. I don't know why. Yeah, it's like so much fire. Sink, there's like a coffee maker I have hidden over there. Bread up thing, a little fridge. Got cooking stuff, more like plates and stuff. I love the colors. I like this whole little like dining room / work table. Love this wall. The one thing I wish I had though is a microwave. Seriously, like I didn't think it would be bad, but like you don't realize how much you need to use a microwave until you don't have one. Like the other day I made a ton of pasta and I put like all the extra in the fridge, and then the next day I wanted to eat it and I'm like, oh, I don't have a microwave. So I put the pasta in this like frying pan. It didn't really work that well. It got like crunchy and like crispy and weird. So now I just try and make less pasta so I don't have to figure out how to reheat it. That's my door making creepy noises. Here is this cute little like changing area. So I guess like technically, yeah, you can like close this so it's like separated off from the bedroom in case anyone else is sleeping here that I need to hide to get dressed from. Bathroom. It's really small, but like it works. It's fine. It's really cute. Another mirror here. Comes off though, just kind of cool. The door. Oh God, gives me throwbacks to my one apartment in Korea that had a glass door. Luckily this one is less see-through. I should see if I have any videos of that because that was a mess. And then here's this other cool thing. The light is like on a controller. So yeah, it's like really bright. The M button, mood lighting. And I'm on my bed right now. So this one I am paying 11,500 pesos a month, which is about like 570 US dollars. And that includes everything. So there's like no extra fees. I don't have to pay any utilities or anything. There's a cleaning lady that comes every other week and she scrubbed like everything. The location is literally like perfect. I can walk to like so many restaurants, bars, coffee shops. There's like a cool park right outside. I can walk to my favorite park in like a little over 10 minutes. I can walk to my gym too. Oh my God. My gym is literally like a 6-minute walk. That's where I'm about to go. Worked out so much better than the Airbnb. So yeah, I definitely recommend that if you are looking for an apartment. There's a bunch of Facebook groups. Some of them are only in Spanish, or have most posts in Spanish. But yeah, I definitely think that is a lot better to do than Airbnb. Even though it's small, like, it's cute. It's just me, so. My friend and I went to this art exhibit 2 days ago, and I vlogged literally the entire day. The streets here are so nice. The coffee shops are so cute. So I'm gonna try and, yeah, put like a lot of that into it. And then this art exhibit we went to was like, I don't know, it was like a digital art exhibit. It was really cool. I'm not sure if it's permanent. Have to look into that. So hopefully it won't take me too long to go through the 180 pictures, videos that I took that day. My favorite.